Finland ranks the #1 country worldwide in education. The United States ranks number 20. This is according to a poll of 2017 by World Top 20 Project. Today, I will be talking to you about how Finland manages education in a way that promotes successful learning. Many of us grew up with a typical school day being between 7 in the morning till around 3 or 4 in the afternoon, plus our after-school homework. Finland has created an educational system that has changed the way that we view a regular school day here in the United States. I am currently enrolled in the Education and Training Program at Texas State Technical College and have done extensive research on Finland's educational system. Finland's educational system varies from that of the United States in how they view testing and how they view a school day. To begin, we'll talk about standardized testing. In Finland, standardized testing is not really practiced. Linnell Hancock of Smithsonian Magazine wrote an article titled, "Why Are Finland Schools Successful?" In this article, I learned that the reason that standardized testing is not needed in Finland is because the districts do not have to compete for funds. The funding is done by the community, by the parents, by the public. Therefore, the districts have no reason to have a standardized test to determine where the funds will go. Another reason is because teachers are really held accountable for providing a good education. That means that the teachers have a lot of trust put into them from the parents and from their supervisors that the students will get a good education. Teachers also need to have a master's degree in order to begin working, and they are seen with the same level of respect as a doctor. Students do take one standardized test a year. This is done their senior year and it is completely voluntary. This standardized test is to help them find what career path they would like to go into. Finland believes that when a child is growing up, the important thing in life is for them to find their happiness. Once they find their happiness, they will find their passion, their drive, and that will help that student, that child, find a good career path that fits for them. Andrew Walker of GenFKD, a YoungAmerica.org project, said that a study found that on average, a student in the United States will take approximately 112 mandated tests in their 13 years of schooling, which is nearly 9 tests, not including tests administered by teachers for specific classes, but 9 tests a year. This is compared to Finland's 1 voluntary standardized test. Another difference is their school days. On average, in Finland, a Finland school day lasts around 3 hours and 45 minutes. They begin their school at between 9 and 9:45 in the morning, and they end their school day between 2 and 2:45 in the afternoon. Whereas in the United States, we begin school anywhere between 7 and 8 in the morning and don't end till anywhere between 3 and 4 in the afternoon. The reason that Finland does not like to begin school so early is because they don't agree with having to wake up a child very early for them to start learning at such early in the day. And the reason they let out school so early is because they believe that family time is important. Therefore, they are released to their family so that they can spend family time with them. Students in Finland definitely live a more relaxed atmosphere at school. They only have a few subjects a day to study, and they do things throughout the day that helps them de-stress, like they eat several times a day, and they take 15 to 20-minute breaks. The teachers also follow the same schedule, therefore they get to de-stress with the students. In the United States, classes that are stress relievers like physical education are only implemented 3 times a week, and recess is taken away for bad behavior. Homework is very different in Finland as well. Most or all of the students' work is done in class. If they do have homework, it is no more than 30 minutes a day. In the United States, for a typical 5th grader, they will receive homework on their standardized testing subjects like math, reading, and science, and homework can add up to anywhere between 1 to 2 hours a day. In conclusion, it's clear that Finland has developed a unique educational system that has helped them achieve the #1 rank worldwide. You now know how Finland's educational system varies from that of the United States and how they view testing and how they view a regular school day. Finland has created a revolutionary educational system that could change the outcome of learning for the United States. Can you imagine what our children could achieve if we implemented this system? Thank you.